So we're here at Joe Brown Rec Center in New Orleans East doing our Physics of Sound Day, sponsored by our friends and partners at Cox Communications. Students are going to be able to build multiple different kinds of activities. They're going to be working with a sound bowl. They'll be able to build a functional Bluetooth speaker that they actually get to go home and use at home. And at the end of the event, Cox has been so kind, and they've been kind enough to donate computers for the students to walk away with.
Speed it up a little bit. There's your motion. Oh, you want to look at the microscope? Okay, go ahead.
Well, STEM Nola is a wonderful community partner, so we're really excited to work with STEM Nola to make sure that we're bridging the digital divide. And so that is what we're prioritizing, and that's why we're here in service to communities today. Absolutely. Here, this is just one example of how Cox ensures connection. So we have smart homes. We know that the internet connects us all to many aspects of our lives, including our homes, how we access and utilize, for instance, appliances in our home, how we are able to unlock our homes. All of that can rely on the internet, and that's where we are headed as a society. So just showing young people how important the internet is and what the science of the internet is and how it can connect us to our homes. So we have a smart homes display here today that children will be able to get exposed to and learn more about, which is also critical to STEM.
You see how this light is on right now? Imagine this is the sun, okay? When the sun comes on, the light goes off. So when the sun comes up, same on this one, when the sun comes up, the porch light will go off. Right, because it sees the sun. So it's got a sensor in it to say when there's light, we don't need to keep this powered up anymore.
We started off by putting the screws, as you can see here, inside to screw it down so it doesn't fall out. And then on this board, there's like a circuit board where there's 3 places where you can connect like wires that look like these, but the 3 and 1 is wires like that wasn't connected to anything. So you connect them. There were 2 whites and 1 red. This one is this is the switch and off button.
So the James M. Cox Foundation generously has donated $100,000, which we are utilizing to ensure that children in our community have laptops. And so today we're giving away 100 laptops to eligible students to make sure that they can be successful in school. And we know that being connected to the internet is just critical. So we're excited to share 100 laptops with the community today.